Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on the Evony game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Evony game on your device, and once it is opened up, if you're playing it for the first time, you will be taken into the basic tutorial levels for the game. Once you complete the basic game tutorials, you will gain access into the game menu, which you can access by tapping on the three dots at the bottom right corner. From this page, you will find the friends icon as well. Tap on friends and you will be taken into your friends tab. Now if there is someone that you want to block within your friend list, you can simply tap on the friend's user ID and you will be taken into their profile. You can also block anyone that is not your friend from the recommend tab by simply typing in their user ID within the search box. Once you find the player that you want to block, tap on their profile and you will be taken into their profile page, which looks like this. Now from this page, tap on the friends icon at the top right corner and you will see the block button right away. Tap on this button and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to block this player. If you tap on the red block button, this player will immediately be blocked and they will be added to your block list. Tap on the blacklist option from your friends menu and you will find this player within this list. If you wish to unblock this user, simply tap on the remove button and this user will immediately be unblocked. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to block someone on the Evony game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.